If your washer refuses to spin or drain, calling a technician may not be necessary. Many common washer problems can be fixed with a simple factory reset that takes only a few minutes to complete. This reset method works on Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Crosley, Roper, and Maytag washers and does not require tools or technical skills. If the reset does not correct the issue, refer to the linked video for an explanation of washer error codes and additional troubleshooting steps. Factory reset instructions. Step 1. Make sure the washer is turned off, then rotate the control dial 1 full turn counterclockwise. Step 2. Within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and 1 click to the right again. Flashing lights indicate diagnostic mode. Step 3. While the lights are flashing, turn the dial 4 more clicks to the right and press start. Step 4. Wait several minutes. If the washer shuts off and the lid unlocks,